Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon, Miss
Good afternoon,
Doctor.
sir.
Yes, good afternoon. Okay, Shubhendu, all are joining one by one. Yes, Mr. Our respected Utsab, welcome, Saurabh.
Yes. Good
Uh,
evening, sir.
yes, good afternoon, good evening, all. Don't just say only good afternoon or good evening. Always try to use the superlative form of good. Best afternoon, best evening.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good
Okay.
afternoon. Yes, Sriyoshi. Yes, Parvin Sultana. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon. Uh, good afternoon. Best afternoon. Okay.
Good
Well,
afternoon, sir.
yes, good afternoon. It's been a long time since I saw you last. Manisha, Miss Manisha Gupta.
Good
Yes,
afternoon,
sir.
sir.
Yeah, you were. Yes, good afternoon, everyone. You were lost in the lost world.
Good
Yes,
afternoon,
sir.
good luck, sir. Parveen here. I
Yes,
have
yes.
taken permission from Pankaj sir to join your class.
Okay, that's great. It will be great fun together. We're gonna explode. By the way, to establish a very good communication, the most important thing is eye contact. Remember, there is a saying: "Out of sight means out of mind." Okay. I can see only S, P, D, P. Okay. Actually, they represent only alphabets, not human beings. Yes. Okay. Is it evening or day? Motushi, why you are in darkness? You love darkness.
Sir, as the issue, I'm on my doing the classes,
Okay.
get better network.
Okay, that's why you are sitting in the dark place to receive better network. To get something, you need to lose something, right? You're losing light to get more
Like
strong connections. If you need strong connections, you need to sit in the darkness outside, huh? Unexpected things happen more than expected in our life. That's really stark reality. Manisha ma'am, you are talking but your mic is muted. The technology is preventing you from expressing your ideas. Unmute.
Sorry, sir. I was on some call. Sorry, sir.
Okay,
I'll be here right
it's
now.
okay, it's okay. You have not done any serious crime. Don't need to be sorry for that. uh, by the way, our smiling face is very, very, very important, right? Our dear Utsab. Utsab means festival where people enjoy a lot. Huh? That's why happiness is present every time. Whenever I see him, not him only. Oh, somebody wants to join. Yes, I'm sending you the link. Okay, click the link. Is everyone all right in this pandemic situation? All are good, fine, fit and fine, mentally, physically, emotionally, externally, internally.
Yes.
Okay. And Devar Gokundu, I think, right? Every time he logs into the account.
Yes, sir.
Every time you log in with your father's account, that's why your name changes to Devashish Kundu. Some more are still waiting outside, maybe Saju. Okay, very good. Yeah, Parveen ma'am, I got you in my frame, huh? I got a lot of diamonds, like everyone is just a gift of God. Remember, okay? We all are gifts of God. No one is less important. God has given us qualities, skills, talents, Okay, everything. We have to identify that one only and then go ahead in life. I need some water first. I need to rejuvenate myself. জলে বোতল আছে মা একটা? মা জলে বোতল দাও না? জল. I need some H2O. H2O, scientific name of water. First, communication, right? Communication. The very word is very, very important to establish connection globally using technology. First of all, Parveen ma'am, Manisha ma'am, I'm calling everyone ma'am. Okay, because everyone is a teacher. Everybody has something to teach. Okay, and I just only experience what I know. That's it. The only thing I know is that I know nothing. But so Parveen ma'am, it's been more than 6 months maybe since we met last
Yes.
time and first
Yes.
time.
Right.
This is day 2, right?
Yes.
So how are you feeling watching me on
I'm
virtual?
Yes. I told you as I was touched with your words which you had given on WhatsApp,
Okay.
and then I'm tired of teaching.
Okay.
Tired of teaching in the sense need a break. So I requested Pankaj sir if I can join your class and add on to my teaching a little more of it, and I know, so I just want to relax and listen to you today.
Okay, that's great. That means I'm under pressure right now. 'Cause
Maybe.
yeah, you're
I
always
just-
free to raise questions related to the communication, because it's a very important thing. Like we human beings express our ideas and express our thoughts in order to let us know that what we are. Okay, we are not what people see us. We are what people listen to us. Remember, education cannot be seen from outside. We can never judge a person by its, like we can never judge a book by its cover. Similarly, a person cannot be understood until we talk to him. Yes. Good afternoon, Deepak sir. Yeah, wow, you're wishing me with your muted mic. Your mic is muted, then you are saying good afternoon. Still, I heard it by my heart. Okay. The way you vibrate your mouth and lips is enough to greet that good afternoon. Okay. Because sometimes you understand by our gesticulation, the movements of our hands. Sometimes our movements talks more than our words. We'll talk. See, I know most of you are able to convey your thoughts and ideas speaking in English. Okay, that's not an issue, I think. But what you have to do to be a good speaker, sometimes you need to be a good listener first, right? Because whatever gets in, it just comes out one day. जो सुनोगे वही सीखोगे और वही बोलोगे. ठीक है, ऐसा ही होता है. And previously I was a very good listener. I used to listen to my mentors for hours and on. Today, like, students become exactly like their teachers. Okay, my students become exactly the way I am, and the way I walk, the way I talk, the way I share things. Okay, so we should be an inspiration to the people who follow us.
Yes, sir.
And communication, if we talk about communication, what is communication? Communication is nothing. See, there are two ways of communication, written and spoken, right? Written and spoken communication. There is also one concept of like body language. Now, body language, why it is so important? See, sometimes monotonously, if we just keep talking to a person without using our body or without moving our hands, that time we cannot bring out our true emotions. Okay, If we talk with our emotions, with our gesticulations, like gesture, like hands, we never say, yes I know, yes I know, yes I know. We never say like this. Will you go? No, 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 I don't know this. No? Always remember one note. This is called note. Okay? One note indicates that you agree something, you admit something, you are accepting. Okay? This is, so when say, okay, are you happy? Yes. We never say, are you happy? Yes, 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 I'm so happy, yes. So we lead people to confusion by our gesticulation, right? By movements of our body and hands, sometimes we confuse people. Okay, that's why gesticulation is very important. You will find one thing, all the international expertise, all the national motivational speakers, they always use their gesticulation, like hands postures. Don't speak like a robot like this way. Yes, I'm Mr. Dulab Sarkar, I'm from Siliguri, I train English like a lot of stuff. Don't say like that way. Okay, we are not that robot. We carry emotions with our voice and with our gesticulation. So remember this. In case of communication skill, it's very, very important. People understand more than we express. Okay, more than we let them know. ठीक है, जब हम लोग जब कम्युनिकेट करते हैं ना, तो सब देखो, आई कॉन्टैक्ट प्लेज अ मेजर रोल. Why I say most of the time that turn on your camera and look into my eyes or see each other? Just because there's a saying, out of sight means out of mind. If I don't see you, deep in my subconscious mind I take it for granted that you are missing. Okay, ऐसा ही होता है. जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते उसको फील नहीं कर सकते. Mother Teresa said one line I remember very beautifully and really inspired by that. Mother Teresa used to say, if you say that you love God and if you don't love your neighbors, you are telling lies. If you love God but if you don't like your neighbors and the people whom you see, you are telling lies. You can never. And the logic is, how is it possible to love someone whom we cannot see if we cannot love someone whom we can see and touch? Okay, so God is an abstract noun. God exists. We can feel. We understand God, we feel God, but you cannot touch and see God. And the things that cannot be touched or felt or seen is called abstract objects. Abstract, which doesn't have any real shape. Okay, that's why it's very important to stand in front of the people when you are talking or communicating with them. And next comes to voice. Voice, human voice, your identity, your only way to express what you have. We are blessed that we are able to speak. Think about those people who cannot speak, who are dumb. Okay, dumb people. So the people who cannot speak, their most desired dream is to speak a language. But unfortunately, it is not possible for them. So we long for those things which we don't have, and we do not focus on those things which we have. Think about Helen Keller. She was deaf and blind, but still she is an international figure. A normal person cannot be just like Helen Keller. And being physically and visually disabled person, now the world remembers her. Now think how blessed we are. We are perfect. We are beautifully created by God. But remember one thing, like sometimes we long for those things which we don't have, or we do not try to find out the gifts that we have been given. That is the problem. And the moment we compare our happiness with others, that time disappointments enter your life. So that's why always stay happy and blessed. Financial stability, money, these are not the only source of being happy. Okay, Otherwise, Bill Gates would never have divorced from his wife recently. Okay, he's one of the 5 richest men in the world. That's why. So money cannot bring happiness. And Einstein said one line, I am really touched by that. Einstein said, the true true happiness lies not in taking but in giving. Not in taking but in giving. So they are the like one of the greatest philosophers in the world. They left so many information, they left so many clues to success, to happiness, okay, to be strong, like APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay, such a beautiful lines he said. He left a lot of clues and secrets so that upcoming generations can use those quotations and be someone like him. One beautiful line he says, I remember, like he was ugly and he was aware of this matter. He was ugly. APJ Abdul Kalam, he looked very ugly and he admitted this. And regarding this he said one line, I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone to be handsome. Okay, मतलब I am not handsome, but I can give my hand to someone to be handsome. देखो तो कैसा है ना, खुद हैंडसम नहीं है पर उसका हाथ किसी के कंधे पे सर पे रख दे तो वो हैंडसम हो जाएगा. So these are the things. Remember one thing, like communication is just a language. I can speak either in Hindi, in Bengali or in English or whatever languages we know. Okay, but remember, language is not so much important like what you are saying. हम जो बोलते हैं ना, it is more powerful than the language we use to express them. जो बोलते हैं वो ज़्यादा important है कि किस लैंग्वेज से हम बोल रहे हैं. ये तो सब नॉलेज की बात है. बहुत सारा कुछ है. I have a lot of things to share with you all, but I just want to confine the discussion within the communication. The time is limited. Achievements is unlimited. Okay, using minimum time. My purpose is to help you to establish good communication and help you to learn how to connect with people with your best communication skill. You'll never get nervous. So language is just like a vehicle. VEHICLE. Don't say vehicle. I heard many people saying vehicle just because E is there. It is vehicle. Via, not way. Like pizza, not pizza. There should be T in the pronunciation. Pizza, not pizza. Education, not education. Procedure, not procedure. Okay. Suggestion, not suggestion. Decision, not decision. President, not president. Resident, not resident. Okay, lot of pronunciations there. Like, okay, how do you pronounce the word RECEIPT? RECEIPT. What is the sound?
Receipt.
Huh?
Receipt.
Okay. Yes. Deepak sir. Okay, you said. I heard it. Anybody else?
So receipt.
Okay. You say no. Shubhendu.
Yes, sir. It's
Okay.
me.
Are you okay? Physically fit and fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you are physically
stable, sir.
Okay. Physically fit means mentally here. Don't worry.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
God doesn't create situation to kill us, but to teach us. Okay. If you are facing
Yes,
more
sir.
problems, that means you are getting stronger. You are getting more experienced than others. That's why I want you to face more problems like this way.
Whoa. But
No,
I
we
need
also,
breaks
not
from
only
this.
you, not only you, okay? We never learn until we face the situation, remember? हम लोग
Exactly,
अगर
sir.
कोई सिचुएशन को फेस ना करें ना, उसको तो हम सीख नहीं पाते. A child cannot understand the danger of a fire until it touches.
Yes, sir.
प्रैक्टिकली क्या होता है ना कि एक छोटा बेबी को सामने कैंडल डाल दोगे, the first time initially the baby will try to touch the fire because the baby doesn't know exactly what fire is and never touched it and never felt it, never learnt it, right? जब उसको एकदम वो लगेगा ना, अच्छा का क्या बोलते हैं उसको हिंदी में, what do you call it, like when we get burned, like क्या बोलते हैं
झटका
झटका सब
उसको? झटका तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में लगता है.
ये मतलब जलन
हाँ, जलन होता है. हाँ, दिल भी जलता है और हाथ भी जलता है ना. कोई बोलता है ना ऐसा बात कर रहा है कि दिल जला दिया. दिल जले. मतलब जलन भी कितनी टाइप का होता है ना, फिजिकल बर्निंग और दिल भी जलता है. और किसी को तो पेट भी जलता है जब गैस होता है. और एक गाना है ना कि बीड़ी जला ले जिगर से पिया, वो तो जिगर से ही बीड़ी जला लेता है.
यू नो सर, जिगर मींस क्या होता है?
जिगर मतलब हार्ट, दिल, जिसमें
नो
feelings- तो
लिवर
लीवर को जिगर बोलता है. तो नेक्स्ट टाइम इफ आई फेस एनी प्रॉब्लम आई विल गो टू डॉक्टर एंड से मेरा जिगर, बोलो तो जिगर का टुकड़ा क्यों बोलता है, वो तो मेरा जिगर का टुकड़ा है, लीवर का टुकड़ा है क्या?
हाँ, एक्चुअली लिवर दिल का
हाँ, तो मतलब जिगर मतलब मैंने आई एम राइट व्हेन आई से दैट जिगर मींस हार्ट.
नो
तो क्यों बोलता है, मुझे ये एक्सप्लेन कीजिए ना. तो क्यों बोलता है वो तो मेरा जिगर का टुकड़ा है, मतलब लीवर का टुकड़ा है?
क्योंकि सर ऐसा है कि जब हमारा साइंस इतना मेडिकल साइंस डेवलप नहीं किया था, उससे पहले ब्रेन को मेन पार्ट नहीं माना जाता, लीवर को फर्स्ट ब्रेन माना जाता.
ऐसी बात है
जी.
तो
मैं कुछ जगह पढ़ा हूँ, लीवर को फर्स्ट ब्रेन माना जाता था, ब्रेन को सेकंड माना जाता था.
ओके, लीवर को फर्स्ट, इसीलिए बोलता है मेरा जिगर का टुकड़ा है.
हाँ,
फिर तो वो बैकडेटेड मूवी में बोलना चाहिए ना, बैकडेटेड मूवी जब वो पता नहीं था मेडिकल साइंस को के लीवर ही.
इम्प्रूवमेंट आ गया,
वही
ब्रेन ही फर्स्ट है.
वो इसको बोलता है कॉलोक्विलिज्म. मैं वो भी बोल रहा हूँ कि इसको क्या बोलता है, कॉलोक्विलिज्म. अभी कॉलोक्विलिज्म क्या है, लाइक जैसे कि कॉलोक्विलिज्म आर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ वर्ड्स व्हिच आर नॉट मेंशन्ड इन द डिक्शनरी बट वी यूज इट इन जनरल कन्वर्सेशन. लाइक वो तो एकदम मैंने तो उसको धो डाला मतलब उसको बहुत पिटाया, पीटा. तो धो डाला मतलब तो धो भी धोता है ना, वो तो वॉशिंग क्लोथ्स लाइक दैट. तो धो डाला और चूना लग गया, जैसे मेरा 10,000 मेरा 1 लाख चूना लग गया. अभी देखो तो चूना मतलब मुझे पता है ना, वो जो लाइम नो चूना 5 सुपारी, वो चूना लग गया क्या ओरिजिनल में? नहीं. इसका मतलब क्या है, आजकल चूना लग गया मीन्स आई फेस्ड लॉस ऑफ 1 लाख रुपीज. जैसे कि बंगाली लोग बोलते हैं ना कि ए राम लोकटा चैरिट. ओके, लोकटा चैरिट, यू नो व्हाट इट मींस? चैरिट मींस ही डाइड, मर गया. दिस वे द colloquial words come to exist in our daily communication and they are considered to be slang, informal words. ठीक है, इसको informal words बोलते हैं. जैसे कि हम लोग बंगाली में और भी बोलते हैं कि ढोपे चौप, वो जा बोलते सब ढोपे चौप. My friend Rashid is back. I'm getting him in. Yes, welcome Mr. Rashid Hussain. Okay, तो colloquialism क्या होता है कि धीरे धीरे वर्ड्स को, जो वर्ड्स एग्जिस्ट में, एक्चुअल में जो वर्ड्स का एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है बट फिर भी हम लोग बोलते हैं और यूज भी करते हैं टू कन्वे आवर थॉट्स, उसको बोलता है colloquialism. Is that clear? But remember, we don't use these colloquialism or we don't use these words when we talk to strangers, just because it is considered to be informal words. इसको informal words बोला जाता है कि close associates में ये चलता है. दोस्त को बोल सकता ठीक है तू डॉपेज चौबीस ना तो तू बेसी दोस्त को बोला जाता है, but not with a stranger. Clear? So colloquialism क्या है ना, पता चला ना जो colloquialism क्या है. Colloquialism मतलब वो existing or mostly used common words with a limited people, with especially with our near and dear ones. ठीक है? हाँ. Parveen ma'am, I think your mic is off. Muted.
Yes, sir. I have kept it mute.
Oh, you muted it. You could also say
Yes.
it in a short word. You muted. Huh?
Yes, since
You said I kept it muted, or I
Yes.
kept it mute.
I kept it mute.
You said this. You could say muted. बस थोड़ा सा बात ज़्यादा information spread हो गया. ठीक है? So remember one thing. Nowadays the Western people, they don't have even enough time to speak long sentences. You gotta go. You have to go. You have to got to go. क्या बोलता है? You gotta go. इतना छोटा कर दिया, उसके पास टाइम नहीं इतना बोलने के लिए. इसको इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं कि illusion. इसको बोलता है illusion. ठीक है? Illusion का मतलब क्या है? The tendency to remove or to renounce the additional parts from sentences or additional grammar section. इसको बोलता है illusion, removing the unwanted parts from your sentence or speech. Okay, and that is the tendency of the Western world. The people speak English with illusion, like he'd never accept it. I didn't say he would. If I say he and would, it will be disyllabic word. मुझे 2 बार बोलना पड़ेगा, 2 बार. He would, इतना टाइम नहीं है, जिंदगी छोटा है. अगर बड़े बात करोगे तो बात करते करते जिंदगी खत्म. He would को he'd बोलता है. He'd never accept, he'd never believe. Not he would. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? He would not believe. है ना, कितना समय ले लिया. Would not, इसको he'd. ठीक है? जैसे कि I'll do it, not I will, not I and will, not disyllabic. पता है ना syllables के बारे में? पता है तुम लोगों को syllables के बारे में? What is syllable? Monosyllable, disyllable, trisyllable, tetrasyllable, pentasyllable, hexasyllable, septasyllable, octasyllable. उसके बाद नहीं है. पता है क्या?
नहीं मालूम सर.
ठीक है, मैं बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि actually when you suffer from the syllable problem, that time we make mistakes in our pronunciation. English बोलने देखो, हर कोई English बोलता है, ठीक है? हर कोई English बोलता है, but इंडिया का जो English है ना, उसको English बोलता है. English, H for English, मतलब हिंदी और इंग्लिश मिक्स करके English हो जाता है. Now what you see, one common thing we notice, जैसे कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा CBSE और ICSE बोर्ड में सुना जाता है, like the students which I have from English medium, they say, I तो told you ना sir, you तो forget every time. I तो don't know. Like this type of things come. इस टाइप का एक्सप्रेशन आ जाता है, क्योंकि sometimes when the student finds school like a pressure cooker, ऐसा होता है. प्रेशर कुकर क्या है? You are learning under pressure. Okay, इसको प्रेशर कुकर बोला जाता है. When students are learning under pressure, इसको प्रेशर कुकर बोला जाता है, not classroom. ठीक है? Learning should be with fun and laughter. It's more effective than being serious. You'll never find me sitting with stick, ready for punishment. Never. Okay. Like G.B. Shaw, George Bernard Shaw, he said one line: if you teach a human beings, he would never learn. Because learning is an active process. We learn better by doing, not by reading. बहुत कुछ है.
सर ये सेंटेंस हिंदी में भी बता दीजिए, बड़ा अच्छा लगा था.
Oh, मतलब if you teach a man, he would never learn. अगर हम किसी को टीच करें वो कभी सीखेगा नहीं, ठीक है। वी हैव टू टीच देम बाय एक्शन, मीन्स बाय डूइंग, करना पड़ेगा। आई नीड टू गेट यू इन्वॉल्व, ओके। कन्वर्सेशन शुड बी एंगेजिंग होना चाहिए। अभी देखो मैं बकबक कर रहा हूँ, है ना, मतलब आई एम इम्प्रूविंग मोर, ओके। जो देखो प्रैक्टिकल मैं बोल रहा हूँ, एकदम सीधा बोल रहा हूँ कि व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ योर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, ओके। देखो थोड़ा स्मार्ट बनना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। इफ यू वांट टू बी अ रीडर यू हैव टू रीड वेल, इफ यू वांट टू बी अ गुड राइटर यू हैव टू राइट वेल, if you want to be a speaker, if you read well and write well, you can never be a speaker. You have to speak well to be a speaker, okay. We notice one thing, teachers teach English but they get their students busy learning grammar section all the time. Now the students think, sir, when will that day will come when we'll be comfortable in English just like our mother tongue, spontaneously. Now, see, they give up because grammar makes you think English and practice makes you speak English. Okay, मैंने उतना ग्रामर नहीं सीखा। मैं क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, ये सोच लो, पहले ये समझ लो, ग्रैब कर लो, नॉलेज बहुत ज़रूरी है। सीखने से पहले क्या सीखेंगे, ठीक है। ग्रामर में ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व रहोगे, बिजी रहोगे, तो ग्रामर तुम्हें सिखाएगा। अरे कौन सा ग्रामर है ये नरेशन है, ओ इसमें क्लॉज है, शायद इसमें नरेशन होगा, ये डिग्री होगा, क्योंकि वही सिखाया ना। यू आर ट्रेन्ड लाइक दिस वे, यू आर टॉट लाइक दिस वे। बातों बात में कौन सा ग्रामर है, बस ग्रामर हमें सोचना सिखाता है और बोलना हमें, प्रैक्टिस हमें बोलना सिखाता है। इसीलिए मैंने बोला था, जैसे कि देवार्को, मोटुशी एंड उत्सव एंड दीपक सर, they all sent me on small introduction video recording. In that recordings I inspected, I made a diagnosis of their problems, okay. डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे, डॉक्टर कभी मेडिसिन नहीं देगा, डॉक्टर कभी प्रेस्क्रिप्शन नहीं देगा अगर तुम डोंट टेल योर प्रॉब्लम। अगर प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोलोगे, डॉक्टर्स विल नेवर प्रेस्क्राइब यू मेडिसिन्स। टीचर्स सेम लाइक डॉक्टर्स। इफ आई डोंट नो व्हाट योर प्रॉब्लम इज, आई कैन नॉट प्रेस्क्राइब यू द राइट थिंग्स। मुझे तो बहुत कुछ पता है ग्रामर में बोलने के लिए, बहुत कुछ। अभी तुम्हें क्या चाहिए वो मैं कैसे गेस करूं? by knowing what you don't know and what you need. मुझे कैसे पता चलेगा कि किसको कितना अच्छा इंग्लिश आता है? कैसे पता चलेगा? मुंह देख के? ऐसे बैठे रहने से क्या पता चलेगा कौन कितना अच्छा इंग्लिश बोलता है? नहीं। इसलिए मैंने बोला था कि 2 मिनट करके खुद का जो प्रेजेंटेशन, सेल्फ प्रेजेंटेशन का जो स्पीच होता है वो बना के भेजो ताकि मैं इंडिविजुअली गाइड कर सकूं 2 मिनट्स के लिए। और सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन में देखो, अभी मैं बोल दे रहा हूँ, अभी मैं आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू व्हाट टू ऐड इन सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन। अभी सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन में क्या क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा मैं बोल दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है? उसके बाद तुम स्पेसिफिकली ट्राई करना। सी, सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन कंप्लीटली इट्स ऑल अबाउट योरसेल्फ, नॉट अबाउट योर फैमिली मेंबर्स। कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि खुद के बारे में बोलते बोलते फैमिली में घुस जाता है कुछ, ठीक है? मेरा पिताजी का नाम ये है, माई फादर डज दिस, माई फादर वॉज बॉर्न इन बांग्लादेश और व्हाटएवर, ओके। वो होता है ना ऐसा कि यू आर राइटिंग एन एसे अबाउट ए काउ। इफ यू से लाइक दिस वे, द काउ इज अ मैमल, द काउ हैज 4 legs, द काउ ईट्स ग्रास, ओके। द फार्मर्स कलेक्ट दोज ग्रास, दे मेक सो मेनी डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मैथ्स इन इंडस्ट्री। अभी देखो काउ से कहाँ चला गया? इंडस्ट्री में चला गया। एंड दे मेक मैथ्स एंड मैथ्स आर वेरी यूजफुल। We spread mat on our floor to protect from the cold in the winter. Okay, in winter we put on jackets, we put on warm clothes. देखो कहाँ पे थे, काव में थे अभी देखो विंटर में घर में आ गया, मैट में आ गया, अभी क्लोथ्स में आ गया. हाँ, इसका मतलब रैंडमली स्पीकिंग. तो बातें करने का तरीका ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन मतलब यू हैव टू कन्फाइन द डेफिनेशन ओनली विद इन योर सेल्फ. खुद के बारे में. हाँ, ये बोल सकते हो कि यस आई एम फ्रॉम डैश एरिया, माई फादर इज डैश, माई फादर नेम इज डैश. यस, उससे ज़्यादा और नहीं कि my father puts on spectacles, you know, like he likes red color and all that. No, ठीक है. Always stay within yourself. खुद के ऊपर रहो कि तुम्हें क्या क्या आता है. Remember, when you give self introduction, the person who is listening to me, I am most important to him, because that self introduction is happening because maybe I'm looking for an opportunity, not my family. Okay, the person is going to give me an opportunity for work, or I want to get employed. That's why what I am and how I am, that is more important than how my family is. ठीक है. तो ये जो चीजें हैं ना, वो कम्युनिकेशन में नहीं आता. वो कम्युनिकेशन में देखो, एबिलिटी टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश इज डिफरेंट मैटर. वन क्वेश्चन में एक बात बोलता हूं, जैसे कि इफ आई टेल यू ऑन अर्थ which point or where do we see the zero gravity on this planet अर्थ में जीरो ग्रेविटी कहां पे है? कॉमन जी कहे तो दुनिया में ग्रेविटी, अर्थ में ग्रेविटी जीरो कहां पे होता है?
बिल्कुल अर्थ के सेंटर.
एब्सोल्युटली राइट, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस आंसर. अभी सबसे ज्यादा ग्रेविटी कहां पे होता है?
अर्थ के ऊपर.
Surface of the earth.
सरफेस, एब्सोल्युटली राइट, लाइक इक्वेटोरियल लाइन, राइट, इक्वेटर. हमें क्या पता है कि अर्थ के जो सरफेस है ना, अर्थ सरफेस क्रस्ट होता है, जो उससे ऊपर जाओगे तो ग्रेविटी डिक्रीज होगा, नीचे जाओगे तो ग्रेविटी डिक्रीज होगा. सबसे ज्यादा ग्रेविटी है अर्थ सरफेस, मतलब कोस्टल एरिया है ना, ग्रेविटी कम जाता है. कोई बात नहीं, वो वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू जियोग्राफी, नहीं तो बहुत कुछ आ जाएगा अभी. तो इफ आई टेल यू व्हाट इज सुपरनोवा, से इन बंगाली, से इन योर मदर टंग. अभी आपके मातृभाषा में ही बोलो, आसान भाषा में बोलो कि ग्रेविटी में सुपरनोवा क्या है. कितना बोल सकते हो? जितना इस पे है. लैंग्वेज में जितना भी एक्सपर्ट हो जाओ, बोलना तो उतना ही आएगा जितना इसमें है. लैंग्वेज मैटर नहीं करेगा. ठीक है. तो व्हाट इज सुपरनोवा? कैन एनीबॉडी टेल मी द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन? सुपरनोवा क्या है? You're googling up. सामने गूगल का टैब खुला हुआ है ना. सुपरनोवा
रोबोट.
देखो, अभी बांग्ला में भी बोलो, हिंदी में भी बोलो, जो भी आपका मदर टंग है, ठीक है, बोल पाओगे. अगर इंफॉर्मेशन ना रहे तो कम्युनिकेशन ऐसे ही होता है. कि तुम्हें पता कितना है, फ्यूल में, बाइक में फ्यूल कितना है, कार में फ्यूल कितना है, वो मैटर ज्यादा करता है. नया कार खरीदा, बाबा ने खरीद के दिया बर्थडे में विदाउट फ्यूल तो वो कोई काम का चीज होगा क्या? सो आवर लैंग्वेज इज द व्हीकल. लैंग्वेज व्हीकल है, और क्या बोलेंगे दैट इज फ्यूल. और क्या बोलेंगे दैट इज फ्यूल. तो अभी क्या बोलेंगे ये जानने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, बोलो तो? स्टडी,
गेन नॉलेज,
स्टडी. बोलता ज्यादा कौन है? जो सुनता ज्यादा है और जो पढ़ता ज्यादा है, खाता ज्यादा नहीं है। जो सुनता है और पढ़ता है। आईज एंड ईयर्स, रिमेंबर दिस टू ऑर्गन्स, आईज एंड ईयर्स responsible for our knowledge. We learn either by listening or by reading using our eyes. That's why children are the best learners. इसलिए बोलता है। और हम लोग इंग्लिश में ठीक से बात क्यों नहीं कर पाता है पता है? देखो, to pick up our mother tongue, how long time does it take for a human baby to pick up its mother tongue? कितना साल लगता है मातृभाषा को सीखने के लिए? ह्यूमन बीइंग्स वो भी पता नहीं है।
बस जब तक बच्चा होश संभालता है तब तक मैं सीख जाता है पूरा।
एवरेज टाइम कितना है? आफ्टर 2 years, है ना? 2 साल लगता है ना? ओके 3 years, ज्यादा ही बोलो, ठीक है। आइंस्टाइन ने 5 years में सीखा था बोलना, 5 years ही देते, ठीक है। आइंस्टाइन जो है एकदम मतलब डम स्टूडेंट था एट द एज ऑफ 5. ही लर्न हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश और जर्मनी एट द एज ऑफ 5 years. सबसे स्लो था ब्रेन में और बाद में प्रूव कर दिया सबसे फास्ट ब्रेन. ओके, तो if human beings take, if human babies take 2.5 years or 3 years max to pick up mother tongue. So for how many years we have been learning English from class 5 to from class 5 to 12? How many years? 6 or 7 years, right?
7 years, sir.
7 years.
Yes, sir.
So we are mature, right? We are adult. So we have been practicing English more than 7 years. And a baby learns within 3 or 4 years. See the difference? They are fast learners. No, one condition is there. Now why we, being mature or being adult and being intelligent, take a lot of time to pick up this language as a mother tongue? Why? For one reason. The babies find out their environment which is only in mother tongue. Okay, but we find out our environment hodgepodge. Okay, some students are speaking in Hindi, some students speaking in Bengali, some are in Nepali. Bas, this is hodgepodge. Okay, we are learning English in school, and when we return back to home, Hindi or Bengali. Bas, so we are not getting the environment just like a baby, so we cannot learn like a baby. Proof kar diya na? Completely, very simple. Now what is the best way to learn this as our mother tongue? See, I've gone through the same situation like those who cannot speak in English to convey their thoughts right now. मैं भी उस situation से गया, and I'm from Bengali medium, remember. See, I never had teacher in my life after I passed out my secondary exam. I never had teacher in my life, means English teacher or any other teacher, because when I was in class 11 I started teaching class 11 students, so I had no chance to get tuition from other teachers because I was a teacher that time. I taught class 12 standard when I was in class 12. So actually literally I didn't have any opportunity to learn from teachers because I started teaching from that time. यही है सीक्रेट कि मैंने जिंदगी में टीचर क्यों नहीं लिया. And Elon Musk, my mentor, actually I just take him for mentor. Elon Musk said one line that matches with my thought. He said, the best way to learn a subject is to teach it. Okay. एक सब्जेक्ट को सीखने के लिए सबसे ज्यादा बेस्ट तरीका है उसको टीच करो. Okay. And that's really, it's crucial truth, very important. याद रखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. Huh. Let's come to Mena. Oh yes, Rasul.
To support your this view, I just want to share my experience also. The way you said that to learn something to teach things,
Yes.
that is very true. In my case, also the same thing happened. When I was in college, I had been a student of literature,
Okay.
so I was not a good student. So after that, when I joined school, there I had to teach the students. And while teaching, I got the interest in English literature.
Okay.
And after passing out college, I learned all those things. Right. So the way you said that, the Elon Musk, I guess, said that the way to learn something.
Maybe somewhere it might also
somewhat.
be written somewhere, but I heard it
Yes.
from live discussion of Elon Musk. actually.
Yes, that is very true. That is very true, and I appreciate the way you observed all those things. This is my first class with you. I joined late though, but the way you use the philosophy to teach the things, that is exceptional.
Oh,
So
thank you
good wishes to you.
thank you
so,
very much. The one
It's
thing,
very
one
much
thing.
close to life,
Okay.
and better. We would like to learn more things like the way you previously. I mean, in this class only, you just said that we have to shorten the words like I would. That will be I would. So these kind of things, if you share these kind of things, then it will be better, because these are more important.
Definitely.
And everyone has their own philosophy to connect the things with their own experiences. And they will, if you share these valuable things more and more, will be more benefited.
Benefitable. Yes.
And I'll be also benefited by this, because I also teach English, and there are more things. When I started attending your classes, I mean not classes, today I attend your class. Previously also, yesterday also I attend one of your classes. So I also came to know that everyone doesn't know everything. There are always scope of learning new things, and I learned few new things from you. So thank you for your contribution.
Oh, you're welcome, my dear. And one surprising thing is that we spend most of the time together. Okay, and we are supposed to
Yes.
go. We are supposed to go outside also in the evening to breathe oxygen. Okay.
Yeah,
But actually-
today also we are going after
Okay.
this class.
Yes, yes. But actually, he doesn't see me the way I am. What he sees me in the frame. See, in generally, when we are spending time together, we do not say this type of things. We just make fun out of anything. Okay, that time.
Oh, that's true. Whenever we stay with our passion, the original version of I it comes out.
Yes, yes, yes. Like we say, like don't let the child die in you.
That's true.
ठीक है. That's very good thing. So we'll focus on. See, as I said that language side by side, our thought, it's also very important. But I'll just focus on those things which are very important to know, because everybody has some own philosophies, as he said. I really support it, because I don't want to make you just like me. No, this is a wrong approach. So everybody has own philosophies. Okay, everybody has same. No, we don't have the same fingerprints. It means that we think differently, we talk differently. Okay, one proof I'm telling you that our brain vibration is different. Everyone. See, if I ask you the same question, but your answer will be different. Everyone's answer will be different. Suddenly, if I ask you what is the definition of computer, if I ask you what is the definition of computer individually, your answer will never match like phone numbers. Everybody's definition, unless you memorize it. अगर वो memorize नहीं किया तो, if you have to define what computer out of your understanding, खुद क्या समझते हो कंप्यूटर बारे के अगर definition बोलना है तो never it will match with others. ठीक है, इसका मतलब ये proved कि we think individually, our thought will never match, our thought process will never match, it is distinct. कोई बोलता है ना कि wow, I like many people saying like yes, I like Gaur Gopal Das and his speech, and many people saying yeah, I like Vivek Bindra's speech, I like Sandeep Maheshwari's speech. Okay, that means choice is also different. Okay, our choices are also different. So you have right, you have your own thoughts, represent yourself. Okay, you are born original. Don't die a copy of somebody else. भगवान ने हम सबको यूनिक बनाया है. Don't die like a duplicate copy. बिल गेट्स एक बहुत अच्छा चीज बोला था कि if you are trying to copy somebody else means you are insulting your own potential. That's true. Okay. Fine. Anything to share? Anybody else from this audience?
Sir, you asked a question. What is supernova?
Oh,
Could you please tell me the answer?
You are still
Tell us the answer.
You are still worried about the answer. No? Okay. Supernova actually it's like an explosion of star. As you know that the stars also explode. Right, our sun also will explode. Not very soon. Okay. After our generation. Don't worry, don't take too much pressure. Or it may also explode tomorrow. Okay, uncertainty. So when the stars explode, it releases, means the stars release extra super magnetic field, actually what to say, like extra power. Its gravity becomes 10 times more than it had before. तो उसको बोलते हैं supernova. Means when they explode, they release extreme heat and light suddenly for few minutes or seconds, and that is the highest brightness and the highest temperature of a star before death. A sudden increase of temperature and light, that is called supernova.
Energy emission.
Yeah, energy emission. इसको बोलते हैं supernova. Simple. तो क्यों बोला था? Why did I tell you the definition? क्योंकि वो पता होना चाहिए बोलने से पहले. लैंग्वेज तो है मेरे पास, बाइक तो है, बाइक में फ्यूल है कि नहीं वो देखना पड़ेगा. Like many of us, we are very confident in English, but क्या बोलेंगे सर? फ्यूल नहीं है, है ना? फ्यूल नहीं है, तो you feel इस फ्यूल को रिफिल करना पड़ेगा. कैसे? एक्सपीरियंस, बुक्स, ऑब्जर्वेशन, बस 3. रीडिंग, ऑब्जर्विंग एंड एक्सपीरियंसिंग. यही 3 चैप्टर्स है. दुनिया सिखाता है सबको. You got to know exactly what to say. मैं बोल रहा हूँ अभी देखो, सबको बोलना पड़ेगा. क्या बोलना पड़ेगा, क्या पता है, ये बोलने से ही पता चलेगा. We define a human beings intelligent or stupid or average based on their words they say with their language. What can make you cry? What can make you sad? What can make you happy? What can demotivate you? What can motivate you? What can inspire you? What can discourage you? It's a very powerful, strongest tool ever we have. And your speaking skill is the highest paid business in the world right now. Zero investment, 100% benefit. Okay. तो अभी क्या करते हैं ना कि we invite the speakers from different fields. In school, college, like Gorgopal Das, Sandeep Mesfari, they are invited for their valuable speech, and in return, they can get unlimited benefit from their conversation. It depends on their wish. Okay. Oh, Pankaj Bhagat, na? Okay, dear. Yeah, it's 6:30, as you know that time is less. Okay, one thing, as I told you, weekly one day, I don't think that, see, बहुत कुछ सीखने का है तो we need to wrap up the class also. It's 6:30. एक बात बोलता हूँ कि like Motushi and Utsav and हाँ दीपक सर and our Kundu Devargo, right? Devargo. They already recorded 2 minutes or 3 minutes video of their self-introduction. I scanned them, okay, and individually I will take personal one-to-one discussion. I already took it from Motushi and Utsav and Devargo. I will take his interview tomorrow morning. जो मुझे भेज रहा है उसको मैं इंडिविजुअली स्पेसिफिक डिस्कशन क्लास लूँगा। उस क्लास में क्या होगा कि 1-to-1 conversation, जैसे कि already we had Utsav, right? And he was performing very nice. And also, what is the name of that boy in our discussion?
Mrinal.
Mrinal, yes.
Minal, okay, Minal.
Mrinal. So yesterday also we had a very good conversation, and just then Rashid also got into the, discussion class. Okay. So
One more before end. Can I say something?
Yes, sure.
Or may I say something?
Both
Yes,
are correct. Both are correct. Everything is correct. Okay.
Okay. So may is a formal way of saying, and can informal. Or it
Okay,
doesn't
be
matter.
formal. Be formal.
Okay.
no problem.
So I just want to, first time I joined, so I just want to share my experience, and that is all of us, we are listening to you, and we just want to speak in English. We just try to speak in English. But before that, one thing is very, very, very important, and that is the reason. Why do I want to speak in English, or why do I learn how to speak in English? That is most important.
Wow.
Because
wow.
I also have been from a Bengali medium background, right?
We are from the same school.
Same school, and I started speaking English. There was a huge reason, because I always wanted to become a cricketer. And when I used to watch the cricket matches, and after the match, there would be a man of the match or something. And Indian Saurav Ganguly, Sachin Tendulkar, I was a huge fan, or I am a huge fan of these two people. So when they would they give their interviews, they had to speak in English, and I always wanted to see myself in that
position. Okay.
In that position, and I wanted to speak in English, and I started standing in front of the mirror and started speaking English and started to give the interviews.
Okay. So
Since then, I developed this passion. Since I developed this willpower, or want, the purpose. So that was strong purpose for me.
Yes,
That's why I started, and now I can teach.
Wow.
So I think everyone should have a passion. Why should I do this? The bigger the passion is, the bigger the reason is, the better the chances of learning.
Wow.
So,
wow.
So I think this should happen. This should have.
Yes, definitely.
Everyone should have this.
Yeah. Wait, I'm adding something to his speech. Okay. See, what he wanted to say. Before you learn anything, clear your why.
Why?
Okay.
The bigger the why is,
Okay.
the bigger the chances
And
are.
one more quotation, like Einstein said, related to Rashid's speech, like, if you want to learn something in your life, you have to keep asking questions until you die. Okay. Until you die,
True.
first clear your why. Okay. Outside in the trees, even a single leaf doesn't move without a reason. And our life, it is
Really, when I did my first class in school, as a teacher,
Mhm.
I didn't know how to teach. But the way the students started asking questions, then I started asking questions, how to deal with all this, how to answer all this. And that enriched me. That's why I say that a teacher never makes a student. Students make a teacher.
Wow, this is
So I believe that. Because
Yeah.
they ask me questions.
Mhm.
That's why I learned. So asking questions and having the questions, these are also, very important.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, he's also a very good, like we need supporters like that. Very good philosopher. So we have to learn. We have to know why should we learn English, and what will you do with that? Simple. We know answer is simple. That everybody has their own thoughts, own experience, and that should be shared. And the topic should be related to the others' improvement, not for what you are getting. So let's do the thing. तो ऐसे ही करते हैं ना कोई. Okay, Parveen ma'am, do you want to share something? 5 minutes. No, 5 minutes remaining actually. Anybody wants to say according to your will? Because today I didn't.
Yes.
Say.
Yes, I want to say something that sometimes we thought that we should practice in home, and has been speaking practice. But sometimes we feel shy in the front of the family members. So
the family members will bite you.
no, sir. Yeah, in our mind, in my mind, I think that what they think that I felt. Yeah.
You imagine two things. Okay, you imagine two things. Number one, your need and your want. Okay, देखो. When the way you are thinking, what should your family think? At the same time, think about what the people will think. Okay, when you are a good speaker, when you are a confident speaker, think about the pleasure that you'll be receiving. And remember, our family members are the most loving members in the world. They are not going to insult you, never ever. Okay, so get these negative thoughts out of your mind. Already negativity से भरा हुआ है सबका दिमाग, जगह नहीं है ज़्यादा. Replace it with good thoughts. Okay, don't worry. अरे क्या क्या ओहो सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? Remember this line. No one is responsible for your success. You yourself. The only one person whom you can trust for your success is that you. तो देखो मैं एक ट्रिक देता हूँ, ठीक है? How to get confident. कैसे confident बनना है? देखो, simply what you are thinking people cannot see, but what you are doing they can see. So think you are the best before anyone. Okay? So whenever you meet any human beings, okay, no matter what nationality is he, just whenever you meet any human beings, think you are the best. They're not going to watch your thoughts. Okay, we cannot read people's mind, we can read their words. Okay, so अभी से सोचना शुरू करो कि you are the best and forget the rest. Okay, बेस सोचोगे तो कॉन्फिडेंस आएगा. और हाँ, remember one more thing, bring smile on your face. क्योंकि मैं बोलता हूँ कि adding स्माइल क्या करता है ना कि when we smile at silly mistakes, okay, people forgive you by another smile. Remember, if you are serious, you are going to make more mistakes. But if you take everything casually, that to err is human and to forgive is divine, so who the hell I am? I'm going to make mistakes. That's true. Okay. अगर बोलता है ना बंगाली में क्या होता है, इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? टू एयर इज ह्यूमन एंड टू फॉरगिव इज डिवाइन. इंसान मतलब मिस्टेक करेगा और फॉरगिव करने का राइट्स तो भगवान को है ही. तो एवरीवन, वी सी आवर बेस्ट टीचर इज आवर लास्ट मिस्टेक. ओके, इफ यू मिस योर मिस्टेक मींस यू आर मिसिंग योर बेस्ट टीचर. ओके, याद रखना, सिंपल, ऐसे ही तो सीखना पड़ेगा. ओके. So tomorrow morning after 8 or 9, Devargo and Deepak sir individually will have discussion. Okay, and day after tomorrow again I will pick up 2 from this group on the next morning, and 8 and 9 or 10. These are the best time actually. सबसे अच्छा हो.
सर मैं 10 o'clock आपको रिंग करता हूँ
कल 10 o'clock को ना. ठीक है.
आप जब बोलें.
हाँ. And before that, so tomorrow is Monday, I think. Monday.
आप जो टाइम बोले उस समय कर लूँगा.
Tomorrow, okay, 9 को, okay, 9 AM. क्योंकि एक साथ में क्या होता है ना कि सबके साथ में इंटरेक्शन नहीं कर सकता, और मेरा तो क्लास.
हमको सर लेट कर दीजिए.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. 11 बजने के बाद.
ओके,
ठीक है. जब तुम बोलोगे जब 10 मिनट्स हो या 15 मिनट्स हो या 30 मिनट्स हो, दैट इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल. ठीक है
স্যার হ্যালো.
হ্যাঁ.
শুধু ওনারা দুজনেই ক্লাস করবে?
না, কারণ কি আমি একটা জন্য ইস্যু করে দিয়েছি. আমাকে 2 মিনিটে যারা যারা ভিডিও পাঠিয়েছে আমি তাদেরকেই বলছি, আর হ্যাঁ বাকিরা বলছি. ওকে, বাকিরা যারা আছো, I mean if you really want to have one-to-one conversation with me, send 2-minute your self introduction video. I told you in the previous class, maybe बोला भी था प्रीवियस क्लास में. जो भेजा उसके साथ ऑलरेडी मेरा इंट्रोडक्शन हो भी गया. मृणाल तो बहुत अच्छा बोला था कल. वो राशिद भी ज्वाइन था हमारे साथ, एक्चुअली ही वाज आल्सो कनेक्टेड. सो इफ यू वांट टू हैव one-to-one इंडिविजुअल क्लासेस विद मी, फर्स्ट थोड़ा 2 मिनट करके खुद का सेल्फ इंट्रोडक्शन का वीडियो बना के भेज दो ना, कोई बात नहीं.
Sir, I have a request, like
may I take your leave now?
Okay, sure. We are also going to
Yes,
take
and-
leave right now.
Okay, now since it's my prayer time, so I just need to. I had few questions, but can I just call you up for few questions later on?
Okay, sure. No problem. Okay, first text me. Ma'am, so do you have my number actually?
I have.
Okay,
I
then
have.
no problem. You just text me
Okay.
whenever you are free. If I'm free, so definitely we'll just connect. Okay.
Okay, fine. I just don't. Let me clarify it. I don't want to ask you now because this set of students are of a different age group, and the student which I teach them are from different age groups. So there is a confusion which I have in my mind that I need to clarify.
Sure,
So
sure,
it is
sure.
nothing something personal which I need to ask. It is just like the teaching methodology which has to be clarified. So I will just give you a call.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
sir.
so okay. Bye. Thank you. And let it be up to this moment and do the things as I said. ठीक है, 2 मिनट करके खुद का जो सेल्फ वीडियो है मुझे व्हाट्सएप में भेज दो एंड देन विल कनेक्ट यू. और जो ऑलरेडी भेज दिया तो
Sir, I have a request.
सही.
So my request is that those who have already sent you the video, sir, please give us few more tasks so that we can do that.
Okay. So tomorrow is Monday, no? Okay, so we'll all get connected tomorrow. 5, no? I got 5 videos from 5 students. So we 5 will get connected. 5 करके कोई बात नहीं, 5 करके हो जाएगा. 5 minutes करके 5
Okay.
स्टूडेंट्स डिस्कस करेंगे तो बहुत कुछ
Okay,
बोल
sir.
सकते हैं. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Pallavi, okay?
Okay.
And I know one thing, Pallavi is also very good English speaker because I heard her speaking in English on the first day. कुछ बोल I think you don't have that hesitation nowadays. Okay, so let's it's going to be 6:45. We're meeting tomorrow morning again and make the video and send it to me as soon as possible. Okay,
sir.
then stay
Okay,
blessed,
thank
stay
you so
happy
much.
and stay healthy. Okay,
Yes, sir.
bye bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.